Hello everyone and welcome back to the community kitchen at home. Today we're celebrating Cinco de Mayo, as you can see, and we're gonna do the ceviche. I'm doing shrimp ceviche, which is very popular in Mexico and all over the world. Even it originated in Peru. Actually, ceviche is from Peru. It started from Peru, and but like I said, it's something that everybody loves and enjoys all over the world. So I started already with the shrimp here. It cut into bite sizes, as you can see. So this shrimp has been marinating in lemon and lime for about 15 to 20 minutes already. So the ceviche is when you cook I mean the seafood in citrus. So what happens is like the acid in the lemons and lime is gonna cook the shrimp. So it's been sitting here for 20 minutes, which is long enough to cook it and to get it ready for us to finish it. We could use already cooked shrimp, which makes it faster and even maybe safer. And we can also use raw shrimp, cook it for a couple of minutes, 2 minutes max, and then let it cool down and then make it into a salad. This way also it's safer and faster. So I have it here already marinating in the acid, like you could tell because it turns pink. It means it's already cooked through. So to that we're gonna add some green onion, some red onions, sorry, which gives it a nice sweet crunch. Some diced tomatoes. I have here a mix of cilantro and parsley that goes really well with Mexican flavors. I have a diced jalapeno here that will go into and in order to cut down on because it has a lot of lime and lemon, I put some orange juice here to give it some sweetness and to counter the sourness, like I said. And last but not least, the avocados. You all know how avocados are a big part of the Mexican cuisine, and as always, salt and pepper. So that's about it. That's all that goes into this dish, and we toss it very well. We can let it sit for another 20 minutes maybe, just to absorb the flavors. Like I said, if the shrimp is cooked, it's faster. Whether it's fully cooked from a bag, this is about a pound of shrimp, or fully cooked from the bag, from a frozen bag and defrosted, or if it's like raw and cooked for 2 minutes, it's the same procedure. So this is it. This is ready now, and like I said, you let it sit for 10-20 minutes, another 10-20 minutes, just so the vegetables and will absorb the flavors of the citrus and the rest of the ingredients. So now we could just serve it in our bowl. Like you see, I put some nachos around it, which goes really well with it. Cinco de Mayo is a celebration of the victory of the Mexican army over the French Empire. This is which happened like around the 1860s. So it's something that's been celebrated and going on for a long time. So this is how it looks like, and it's served, like I said, with nachos. I hope you try it. It's really nice, refreshing. And what's a celebration without in Mexico without a mojito? We're gonna do a virgin mojito, which is something that everybody can enjoy. Usually a mojito will have some rum in it, but this one, like I said, is gonna be a virgin mojito. So I have some mint here from Schmint that I crushed a little bit. So this to infuse, to give it you know, so the flavors with the mint would be will come out better. And then to add, we have to add some ice here. We have some lime juice again, which is, we know how lime is a big part of this cuisine. We have some sugar syrup, and we have, I am gonna, usually this is not part of the traditional mojito, but I would like to add some raspberry to give it color and more flavor too, and also, you know, more nutrients. So, and then we could use soda, we could use sparkling water, anything that's you prefer. Ginger ale in this case is what I'm using. So we'll fill it up with the ginger ale, just like that. We give it a little mix. And we can garnish it with a little some more mint, and that would be your virgin mojito. Okay, so this is our Cinco de Mayo menu for today. I hope you try it. It's, like I said, it's enjoyable all year round. And happy Cinco de Mayo to everyone. And as always, we would like to thank our sponsors, the City of Toronto and the Community Services Partnership Program. Thank you for them, and thank you for supporting us and watching us. And have a great rest of the day. Thank you.